Hi, my name is Deja Tillman. Today is March 18th, 2020, and this is Lab 1, Week 2, Aseptic Technique, Exercise 2, Isolating Individual Colonies. As you can see, I have my setup ready right here. I have my culture tubes, my protective equipment on. E. coli, S. epidermidis, and the S. cerevisiae. I have my inoculating loop with alcohol here, my candle lit, and then my 3 agar plates that are labeled E. coli, S. epidermidis, and then S. cerevisiae, as you can see. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to make sure you guys can see me. I'm going to get my inoculation loop, dry it vigorously, make sure all the alcohol is off. As I'm doing that, I'm going to get my E. coli, and I'm going to take off the lid. Carefully place the lid down. Then I'm going to sterilize the tip with the fire flame. We're just twisting the tube. I have the E. coli, and I'm going to dip it in the inoculating loop. I'm not touching the lip or anything, and I'm really soaking this up here at the bottom. You see that there? It's all the way in there. And I'm going to take it out, set it down carefully. Then with the E. coli, I'm going to stain it and do a zigzag on it. Just like that. Perfect. Stick it in alcohol. Re-sterilize the E. coli tube. Cover this up, the E. coli, with the broth. Nice and sterilized. And then I'm going to recap it. And then I'll set it back here. Then I'll get the inoculation tube. Shake it vigorously. Get all the alcohol off. Then I'm going to open up the agar plate of the E. coli. And then we're going to do the same thing. Drag it into the agar plate and the zigzag motion here. Perfect. And then we're going to cover that up. Let it sit for 20 seconds. Let that sit in alcohol for 20 seconds. And then I'm going to do quadrant 3. Same steps. Get it from there, do zigzag. Do another zigzag. Put it in the tube. Wait for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, I'm going to get the inoculation tube, dry it up, and then I'm going to do it from quadrant C to quadrant B. Just move it up in a forward motion. So, nice and dry. And then quadrant C, which is, I'll turn this here. We're still on the E. coli, and I'll move it sideways in zigzag motion. I'll put it back in, let it sit, cover the E. coli up. And what I'm going to do is repeat the same steps for S. epidermidis and the culture for S. cerevisiae. I'm going to continue the steps as I did E. coli and then incubate it for 48 hours. And then after 48 hours, I'll observe it and get a report on the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll probably just do one more. Let's do the S. epidermidis. We're going to do the same thing. Grab the S. epidermidis. Make sure this is dry. Sterilize the tip of the tube before you get a sample. You're going to dip your loop all the way in. And make sure you get your S. epidermidis labeled with the tablet plate. And then move vigorously from side to side in quadrant A. And you're going to repeat and do the same thing for the other ones. I'm going to let it sit for 20 seconds. It's just going to be a repeat consistent with the S. epidermidis. I did the E. coli already and then the cerebaceous. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.